we have been given the mass column, and then you have the number of students, and these are continuous data, whereby you can be able to see that we have the frequency, and then you have marks that have been arranged in this column, whereby the class interval is 20. So in this case, because we are asked to find the arithmetic mean, or to calculate the arithmetic mean, and for this grouped data, the formula for finding the arithmetic mean is given as equals summation of fx, you divide by summation of f. So with the data that you have been given, we have the max, meaning we don't have the value of x. Then we have the frequency, that is the number of students. So what we need to do, we need to arrange this data this way. So we need to have max column. We need to have x, which is the midpoint. That is our x. And then the other column is frequency, which is f. And then because the formula says that x bar is equals to summation of fx, meaning we are supposed to have a column of fx. We are not supposed to have another column for summation of f, because we have f column, meaning if you are going to add all these elements on this column, we are going to obtain the summation of f. So let us arrange this data. We have 0 to 20, 20 to 40, we have 40 to 60, we have 60 to 80, and the last one is 80 to 100. So for us to be able to get the midpoint, you take the lower class limit, you add the upper class limit, then from there you divide by 2. So in this case, you take 0 plus 20, which is 20, divided by 2, which will give you 10. 20 plus 40, that is 60. 60 divided by 2, it will give you 30. All the way we have here, we have 50, 70, and the last one is 90. Then the frequency, on the frequency column, you are going to list all this number of students that you have been given in our question. So in this case, what you need to do, you're supposed to write, here we have 5, the second one is 7, that one is 13, after 13 we have 8, and the last one is 7, meaning the number of students in that class, there are 5 plus 7 plus 13 all the way to 7. This one is going to give you the summation of f, which is 40 students. It is 40 students. Now we proceed with the last column, which is finding the elements on this fx column. So, and for us to be able to get these elements or these values, we take the elements on the x column, which is our midpoint in this case. So we take 10, you multiply by 5, it is going to give you 50. Here 30 times 7, it is going to give you 210. This one is supposed to give you 650. This one is supposed to give you 560. The other one is 630. If you add all these values, you're supposed to give you what you call summation of fx. So my calculator is telling me that it's supposed to be 2100. And because we said in our formula that x bar, which is this one, x bar equals summation of fx, you divide by summation of f. We have been able to get the summation of fx as 2100. So you write 2100, you divide by summation of f. Summation of f in this case, it is this one, it is this 40. So you divide by 40. So it is supposed to give you 52.5. So